everyone, how are we all? Who's sweltering then? Put your hands up if you're sweltering. Absolutely. Been decorating all morning. I had to stop, it's just far too hot. Anyway, so I thought today, I was supposed to do a recipe today. I promised me, lad. But I ain't cooking in this weather. You got no chance. You'll have to wait. So I've been up to Tesco's and I bought myself some sauces. Marinade, dip sauces, all the table sauces. Japanese, I think they're Japanese anyway. Itsu sauces. Let me show you. I've also got loads of chicken as well. You have to excuse the mess, guys. We've got stuff everywhere. Absolutely sweltering though. Got loads of chicken as well because I'm doing some for them. I'm going to give some to the neighbour because I don't think they'll be cooking today because it's far too hot. This is what we got. A teriyaki cooking sauce, sweet sticky and a hint of ginger. Stir fry or marinade, but it is also, it says there, table sauce as well. Or a table sauce. Guganchan, that stuff is delicious. Guganchan, is that how you say it? I haven't tried that one, but I've had the paste and I really like the paste. The drizzle or a dip. Korean barbecue. Sweet, tangy and rich. Marinade or drizzle. And this one, everyone keeps going on about kimchi. So we've got a Gangnam kimchi sauce. A Korean style spicy sauce, ideal for seasonings, noodles, rice bowls, or drizzle over meat. That's what that is, guys. That was £2.75. They are £2.50 each from Tesco or £2 with a club card. That's what I've got loads of chicken, so I just got myself some chicken wings. I've got 2 lots, so I'm going to give some to the neighbour. And 2 lots of drumsticks. I didn't think really what I should have done, because it's only a test on them. I should have bought the frozen ones, the already battered or breaded ones. That's what I should have done and tried it on them. But as I say, we're not cooking, so we're just going to do the chicken wings, chicken drumsticks and the chicken wings in the oven. I'm going to do it all in the oven because I can cook it all together then. So it's nice and simple. First thing first is we're going to get them all into a bowl. Yes, so we get them all in a bowl, guys, and all we're going to do, I'm not cleaning them or anything like that, need to. Get them all in. All I'm going to do is salt them with a bit of oil, spray of oil. And we're just going to get them in the oven until it's all cooked. And we're going to sprinkle some of that good old sauce over the top when they're cooked. That's what we're going to do. Could have got some bigger bowls, but there's loads of chicken here. But this is all we're having for tea anyway. We're not having anything else. We're having no salads, we're having no chips. We're just having chicken to pick, because it's just too hot, ain't it? Oil. I say you can put corn flour on them or anything, can't you? But I would personally just buy the frozen stuff from Iceland or Aldi or wherever and have some of that sauce as a dip in a weather like this. You know what I mean? Give them all a mix. And I'll do the same with the drumsticks, guys, and we'll get them on a tray. So some parchment paper and a tray. Chicken drumsticks in. I do like a chicken drumstick though, and I do like a chicken wing. The only problem with chicken wings is you don't get much meat on them, do you? You eat loads of them. I say you could all marinate it, don't forget, guys, if you needed to yourselves. I am not messing around at all today. Get them in the oven, guys. After about 20 minutes, I'll get the old chicken wings in. And I'll show you when they come out. We are done now. I've got myself 4 bowls. I've had to do 1 lot of the old wings in the air fryer because I didn't have room. There they are. Looking delicious. So we're going to get all the wings into 1 bowl. Into 2 bowls. We'll split it all into 4 anyway. We've got 4 sauces, haven't we? So, yeah. They do look nice in the air fryer, these, actually, guys, to be honest with you. 25 minutes these were in. And there's the ones that were in the oven. But we're not going to need them for a minute. Teriyaki on this one, guys. This is what we're going to do. Let's give it a quick look at. There it is. It says, I did read it, Sweet and sticky with a hint of ginger. I ain't going for all the ingredients. Oh yeah, it does smell very strong, that does. It says about 100 ml, but we'll put in what we need, eh? Just want to give it a coat. 200 ml bottle, so about half a bottle, it reckons. Got to do them in bigger bowls. It's looking nice though, ain't it? The same with these, you could put some sesame seeds on the top or something, couldn't you? You know what I mean? If you want to make it looking nice. I'm not sure about the smell of this one, you know, to be honest. They're too hot to eat yet anyway, so we've got to let them cool down. Get these ones in a bowl. We will use the goujezan. Is that how you say it? Goujezan, goujezan, whatever it is. This one is red pepper, umami red pepper. And it is delicious, isn't it, this stuff? So I don't know about this Itsu one. But I know the paste is lovely. Can't open this. There it is. You can't see much. Ooh. To be honest, they don't smell they don't smell the best, you know. Unless that probably might be just me. Oh, yes. And the chicken drumsticks. We'll get half in each bowl. Ah, barbecue chicken. A barbecue. Korean barbecue, shall I say. Sweet, tangy and rich. You know, these to me, they smell a bit burnt. That's the thick one. Go on. Come on. That one ain't coming out. Yeah. Something like that, I reckon. I will have to edit this in between because a lot of messing around. The barbecue one. The Gangnam kimchi sauce. That's what this one is. This is more of a drizzle. We'll just drizzle it over. Not so much. Can always add more if we need to. That's stir and all. They're looking nice though, ain't they, to be honest with you? But it's all in the taste. There we go, guys. Kimchi sauce. Korean barbecue. Goujang. However you say it. And teriyaki. There we go. And they look quite nice. I'm just going to dish the lads up some first before I start. Okay, guys. There we go. We're going to go one at a time, Bab. Do you want to try the kimchi one first?
Yeah, I'll try that one.
Let's try the kimchi first, guys. Grab one.
Try this one.
It's this one, so we'll go in order.
That smells very nice.
Got some finger dipping water, because we're going to make a mess. And obviously I got my white top on from yesterday. I haven't even... Smells alright now. Everything smelled burnt when I first put it on, but it smells alright now. Literally falling off the bone. That's what you want. That's nice.
I like that.
That kimchi is really nice, isn't it?
That's nice.
That kimchi sauce. Yeah, a little spice on it as well.
I was going to say that. It's got a nice sort of spice on it.
It's delicious.
I do like that.
£2.75 that one, guys. Oh yeah.
Really nice.
The kimchi, what is it? Gangnam kimchi sauce. 100% yes. Yeah. It is, isn't it? We'll be having that on a barbecue Sunday, I reckon. We're going to do barbecue Sunday live, guys. Saturday or Sunday. More likely be Sunday. I might have had some chicken the day before, some stuff like that, eh? That's lovely, isn't it, that?
That's really nice.
Really nice.
I like the subtle.
Yeah, it's just
Heat
nice.
on it.
Yeah, it's just a nice little hit, isn't it?
Mm.
Right, barbecue, Korean barbecue. Now, guys, we're not really into barbecues so much, so we'll have a crack. Let's grab one.
That one next, Jack. Barbecue.
Sweet, tangy, and rich, it says.
Oh no. Oh.
Yeah.
No, I don't like that one. Sorry.
No, we're not keen on that.
Oh no.
None of us.
It's just far too. It's got a weird barbecue taste. That is.
Yeah, it's like a tangy, really bad tangy taste.
Oh no, I don't like that. Sorry. Do you like that one?
No, it tastes burnt to me. That does.
It tastes weird to me.
Yeah, tastes weird. But we're not really barbecue fans, guys. You might like that. I'm not into that at all.
What's that aftertaste?
What did it say? Sweet, tangy, and rich.
It's got a right tang to it. That has.
Soy sauce. I can't say that properly.
No, I don't. It's a deep, sweet, and tangy flavour. No, I'm not into
very,
that one. Sorry.
Yeah, not keen on that, guys.
No.
Yeah, that's a no for me, the Korean. But I say it's what you like, isn't it, as well? This is the one I'm looking forward to. The Googigan.
I might have to get a drink after that one. Sorry.
The Googigan. I can't say it. The Googigan. That one. I've got the pants in the cupboard. Right, this is what I'm looking forward to.
You're looking forward to that one?
Yeah. I'm looking forward to this one.
I've got to swallow my mouth off that barbecue one.
Let's get straight into it.
Right.
I love a chicken wing.
I love chicken wings as well. They're the best. Chicken wings are the best, you know.
Get off, fly. Get. It's not as good as if it was cooked. If it was cooked in it. But it's still quite nice.
That's a nice one, that is. I like that one.
It's nice. But I reckon if it was cooked in that, marinated in that, I reckon that's going to be delicious.
That's really nice.
Well, that's nice. The Googie. The Goojang. I had to go up and that bit all on my face when we went out. I had to go up yesterday to the chemist to get some. I can't even say their name. The lady at the chemist was looking at me going out. Calamine lotion.
Calamine lotion, yeah.
I had to go and get her some of that. You know, we had the chicken stuff we had as kids with chicken pox. I went and got her some of that. Stop you itching, hasn't it?
Stop the itching.
That is nice.
I like that one.
I like the two so far. The teriyaki. I'm not a big fan of teriyaki either. This is one. Sweet and sticky, hint of ginger.
I was going to say, all their sauces seem to be sticky.
They're supposed to be. It's like Korean, isn't it? I think, is it Japanese? Itsu. I think it's Japanese, isn't it?
I did like that one. That was a nice one.
Yeah, so the only one we don't like is the Korean barbecue, isn't it? My favourite so far is that kimchi one. That is delicious.
I don't know, I quite like the third one.
You like that one? The Googies.
Can I just lean over and get a chicken, please? Try this one. What's this one? Sorry.
This is teriyaki.
Teriyaki. What do you think of that one?
I'm not a big teriyaki fan, that's nice.
I couldn't eat too much of it though, it's very rich. It's a very rich sauce, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very sweet.
That's nice.
Yeah. I like all of them apart from the Korean barbecue, but I'm not a barbecue fan anyway. So that's just on me. But I reckon if you're a barbecue fan,
You'd like that.
I like the only barbecue one I liked, I think, was the one Wolfie sent me from America. That was delicious.
Oh, that was nice, that was.
Yeah, it was nice, wasn't it? Proper sweet and sugary. That is more...
Oh, it's weird. I have to taste.
It's like a tangy flavour, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, sweet and tangy, yes. That tangy bit that does me. If it was sweet, it'd probably be all right. But all in all, guys, the kimchi, for me, 100%. Korean, not so much. The gochujang, yes, 100%. But I think if it was marinated, it'd be a lot better. And the teriyaki, yes. No, I think that's just getting stuck in it, you bab.
I like the third one, and then that
the
one.
gochujang and the kimchi.
Yeah, and I'd have the teriyaki last.
And the teriyaki last.
Because I couldn't eat much
third,
that.
you mean?
Oh,
You
yeah.
wouldn't have the barbecue.
I wouldn't have the barbecue. I don't like the barbecue.
So there we go, guys. It's just something simple because of the good old son's ass and that.
That was nice.
I was supposed to do something for the lad, but it's just too hot to cook.
Too hot to do that, Bab. You can't.
So he's had some of this, and he'll enjoy this, I think, as well.
I bet he likes the barbecue one.
I bet he'll like the barbecue one. So all in all, guys, that's it. Something nice and simple. I think I'm going to do a kimchi one and a gochujang one on the barbie. Definitely a couple of bits of chicken on there. You know what I mean?
They're the best ones.
I'm going to take some down to Judy because she likes barbecue anyway, so she might like that.
Yeah, she did not like
She
that.
likes barbecue, doesn't she? So she can have them barbecue few there. Take her down and see if she likes them. So, guys, there we go. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. It's a bit of a mess about thing today, that's all, one of them. Till the next time, we'll see you later. Your opinion on it, son, which one? That's the barbecue.
The orange bottle.
The orange bottle, the kimchi. You like that one?
Oh,
yeah, I like that. We all like that. And we're not big kimchi fans either, are we? But that is delicious.
What did you think of the barbecue?
Tastes a bit like Coke.
A bit like Coke. Actually, it tastes... I ain't got my mic on in a minute. It tasted a bit like... Sorry, I ain't got you. I ain't got my mic, took it off. It tastes a bit like... Do you remember when I'd done that? Cook something in a Coke, remember? Was it ham or... Was it gammon or something in a Coke?
That was right.
It was vile. It tastes... Not as bad as that, but it tastes a bit like that, doesn't it?
Yeah, you're saying that.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah,
Chicken,
mate.
wasn't it? In Coke, wasn't it?
I can't remember what I'd done. I'd done something in Coke, didn't
Was
I?
it chicken wings?
Chicken wings, that's the one.
Chicken
Yeah.
and
Did chicken wings
and
and
it was
Coke?
vile. It was vile.
Oh, right.
Yeah, it tastes a bit like that actually, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
Not as bad, but it just a little bit like that, doesn't it? So there we go. The lads absolutely loved the kimchi, which I'm very surprised any of us like that, to be honest. Yeah, so there we go, guys. Just quick one at the end, give the lads' opinion. See you later.